Hey guys, how you doing today? My name is Kelly. Welcome to my channel. And we're going to do a quick ATC card. So, I made these. I love making these. I'll link it down above, down below, all the places. If you click on my channel, you'll see. So, this is out of half of a sheet of poster board from the Dollar Tree. And very easy, very fun, cheap, and a lot of fun to do. So I was going to do an ATC card, and I figured, you know what, let me throw on the, and just sit and play. I'm just trying to get my creativity back. So I have these two boys. I think this is like a Tim Holtz, comes in a Tim Holtz thing. I was going to cut out of my magazine, but then I changed my mind. But what I might do is move them over a tad bit, and then I'll just cut off that extra. I was going to put this here, but try to do it so the wings are up a little bit, but we'll see if that'll even work. I don't know. Then I was like, well, I was thinking like kind of like moonlight, but not really moonlight. So I think I might, okay, I'm going to have to start there. Let me put some of this glue down. Now you can, I'm just using this stick. You can use Mod Podge. You can use white school glue, the regular kind, not the school because that's water soluble. But it depends on what you're doing. I use both, but I don't feel like being yelled at for that. And I'm going to put this just like this and set this down. You can use gel medium, whatever you have. Wood glue, I don't care. Whatever works for you. Okay, it's sticking to my hand. So I'm just going to give it a tap and give that a second because she's sticky. Okay. Then, and if you saw, I made this the other day when I was doing backgrounds. So I'm just going to cut this to give me a little better. Like I said, I don't need perfection because I can go back and cut everything when I'm done. But I'm going to just fold it for now so those ends don't come up. Okay, all right. Okay, not mad at that so far. Ooh, I wonder if I should put it on the other side too. Like a, ooh, yeah. Exciting. Just adds more texture. Now I made these backgrounds for, to sit and play with. It doesn't matter. You can cover up the background. Nobody says you can't. You know what I mean? Let's do this part. Lay it down. Okay. Lift it up. And cut. I mean, you can do so many things with this. This is just from the Dollar Tree. I showed you this in a previous video, how much you get, all the different sizes and things like that. So, they're very useful. Okay. As you can see, it adds a nice texture that I didn't have. Look at me go. Okay. Now, you know what? Let me show you something. I use this. This is, I got this from the Dollar Tree too. It is correction fluid. If you have a white marker, you can use that as well. But I think I'm going to go and put some dots around up here. I feel like I'm sniffing it in school. And I like to do things in threes, so so we can do like that. Okay, and it adds a little bit. You want to do some lines, do some lines. Whatever you want. It's yours. Okay. But you see, that's it. It's opaque. It works. You can use any marker, gel pen, whatever you got. Then I'm going to dry it real quick. I don't care if it, like, see how it's going? I'm pushing it because I had too much. That's all right. It just gives texture. Okay. All right. Not going to fuss too much. I'm going to take these little boys. And, I mean, you see how fast this is going, right? Okay. Like I said, I think I'm gonna, do I want it this side? I like this side. I'm gonna line his head up here. Yeah. And I know that's up. I will glue it when I'm all done, when I go to trim. But I mean, look how cute so far. So cute. Okay. What else do I want to do? I want to put the butterfly, but I think if I do it like this, those little wings will come off. So I'm gonna just lightly touch it with the glue. Because this stuff, it dries fast and it's strong. Put that in the middle of them. Just do a little tappy tap. Okay. Okay. What else did I want to do? What else did I want to do? I don't know. I kind of like it like that. Do I want more? Well, I'm kind of liking it like that, really. And then I'm going to cut. It's easier if you turn it over this way. You cut the extra off. Doesn't belong. I mean, that's all from an ATC card. Now you can see here, I need a little bit more glue. I like it. What do you guys think? Very quick, very easy. And think, you can do this, you can cut out of a magazine if you have other book, you know what I mean? I go to the thrift store all the time and find different things. So, I mean, look how cute and how fast that was. So, let me see your ATCs. I love them. I hope you guys are having a great day. This was just a little quickie I did, just for, you know, for the heck of it. I love you guys. As always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. See you in my next video. Bye.